Canada 68 Quebec, Euro radar, hello, squawk 6053, descent altitude 8,000 feet. Canada 68 Quebec, thanks, speed 300 knots or greater, VTEP 3 Charlie, arrival 30 left. Canada 68 Quebec, speed 300 knots or greater, expect VTEP 3 Charlie, arrival, runway 30 left. Quebec, Roger. If you're able to maintain speed of 300 knots or greater for the time being, if it's necessary, I can give you vectors and a potentially visual approach. Emirates 21, descend unrestricted altitude 4,000 feet. Descend unrestricted down 4,000. Emirates. Emirates 380, climb now, flight level 250.
Climb 250.
H1010.
Descend 13,000 feet, flying to H1010. Could you just get the speed for us again, Egypt 891?
Egypt 891, thanks, maintain speed 250 knots.
Speed 250 knots, Egypt 891.
Canada 68 Quebec, you're going to need vectors for the ILS, please, over there. So it's the VTEP 3 Charlie for ILS 30 left. Just confirm you're able to fly that. Canada 68 Quebec, thanks. And just confirm speed 300 knots or greater. Egypt 891, flight below vectors for traffic sequence and fly heading 090 degrees, descend 10,000 feet.
Heading 090, descend 10,000 feet, Egypt 891.
Canada 68 Quebec, descend altitude 8,000 feet. 21, turn right heading 210 degrees, descend 2,000 feet.
210, now 2,000.
Stadia 35, descend altitude 13,000 feet to by QNH 1010.
Delta 13,000, QNH 1010, DC5.
Emirates 40 Juliet, your my frequency.
Emirates 40 Juliet Heavy, hello with you on the phone.
Emirates 40 Juliet, thanks, taxi uniform Yankee, hold Yankee Alpha.
Uniform Yankee, hold Yankee Alpha, Emirates 40 Juliet.
Egypt 891, fly heading 130 degrees.
Heading 130 degrees, Egypt 891.
Egypt 891, thanks, descend now altitude 8,000 feet.
Descend 8,000 feet, Egypt 891.
Good evening, radar Emirates 803, stand Alpha 8, information Alpha on board, type 830, requesting Alpha clearance to Jeddah.
Emirates 803, Euro radar, hello, clear to destination, send for 2 Foxtrot departure. Climb 4,000 feet, squawk 6221.
Cleared, Jeddah, stand for 2 Foxtrot departure, maintain altitude 4,000, squawk 6221, Emirates 803.
Emirates 803, reback correct to report ready for push and start break. Emirates 21, I've taken you through the localised apologies, fly heading 330 degrees. Cleared ILS approach 30 left, report established.
330, clear for ILS 30 left approach. Emirates.
Emirates, correction, Air Canada 6A, Quebec, descend altitude 6,000 feet. Air Canada 6A, Quebec, thanks, speed now 250 knots. Egypt
Good evening, Sky Dubai for Golf Hotel. We are descending via the route at 3 Charlie. So sorry if we connected late.
Sorry, I think I said so. There, Egypt 891, vectors for the ILS approach 3 to left, descend altitude 6,000 feet.
Vectors for the ILS 30 left, descend 6,000 feet, Egypt 891.
Got by 4 Golf Hotel, Euro radar, hello, squawk 6027, speed 250 knots.
Squawk 6027 and speed 250 knots. Sky Dubai 4 Golf Hotel.
Emirates 40 Juliet, give way to the Korean Air 380 from right to left, taxi Lima 4, Mike, hold short Mike 13 Alpha, runway 3 to the right.
Emirates 40 Juliet at Yankee Alpha, give way to the Korean Air A380 and thereafter taxi via Lima 4, Mike, hold short Mike 13 Alpha 30 right.
Got by 4 Golf Hotel identified, descend altitude 8,000 feet to by QNH 1010, vectors for the ILS approach 3 to the left.
Descend 8,000 feet, QNH 1010 and confirm vectors for the ILS 30 left.
AFA.
Roger, vectors for the ILS 3 left, Sky Dubai 4 Golf Hotel.
Air Canada 6A, Quebec, speed 230 knots, descend 4,000 feet. Stadia 35, descend altitude 10,000 feet to be level by VUTA.
Descend and maintain flight level 10,000, also 3835.
Stadia 35, so just confirm it's descend altitude 10,000, 10,000 feet to be level by VUTA.
10,000 feet and level via VOTEP 3835.
Emirates 21, the wind's 270 degrees 9 knots, runway 3 to left, clear to land.
Certainly on 30 left, Emirates.
Emirates 380, nothing further for you, monitor advisory 122.8, bye-bye.
122.8, bye-bye, have a nice day.
Thank you, bye-bye. Canada 68, Quebec, reduce speed 210 knots. Egypt 891, fly heading 120 degrees, descend 4,000 feet.
Heading 120 degrees, descending 4,000 feet, Egypt 891.
Canada by 4 Golf Hotel, descend altitude 6,000 feet.
Descend altitude 6,000 feet, Canada by 4 Golf.
UA Center, hello, FedEx 81 Alpha with you with flight level 370.
FedEx 81 Alpha, UA radar, hello, squawk 0713, descend flight level 310.
Descending flight level 310, Sagan squawk, sir.
Squawk 0713.
0713 FedEx 81 Alpha.
Canada 68, Quebec, reduce speed now 190 knots. Egypt 891, reduce speed 230 knots.
Speed 230 knots, Egypt 891.
FedEx 81 Alpha, expect the VTEP 3 Delta arrival, landing runway 30 left.
30 left via the VTEC Echo 3 Charlie.
The VTEP 3 Delta arrival.
VTEC 3 Delta arrival, FedEx 81 Alpha.
Canada 68, Quebec, fly heading 270 degrees, descend 2,000 feet, cleared ILS approach, 30 left, report established. Egypt 891, reduce speed now 210 knots.
Speed 210 knots, Egypt 891.
Canada by 4 Golf Hotel, reduce speed 230 knots, descend altitude 4,000 feet.
Reduce speed 230 knots, then descend altitude 4,000 feet, Canada by 4 Golf Hotel.
Emirates 21, thanks, taxi Kilos and Foxtrot 23.
Kilo, and not stand Foxtrot 23.
2500.
Thank you, Dave.
Thanks for that. FedEx 81 Alpha, descend flight level 150.
Down to 150, FedEx 81 Alpha.
Sadia 35, descend unrestricted altitude 8,000 feet.
This is restricted altitude 8,000, Sadia 35.
Egypt 891, reduce speed 190 knots.
Speed 190 knots, Egypt 891.
Emirates 238, UA radar.
Emirates radar, Emirates 238, sorry about that, we had our VHF off, we're with you now, 5040.
Emirates 238, UA radar, hello, identified, descend flight level 310.
Flight level 310, Emirates 238.
EasyJet 891, fly heading 210 degrees, descend 2,000 feet.
Heading 210 degrees, 2,000 feet, EasyJet 891.
Emirates 238, expect the route of 3 Delta, arrival landing runway 30 left.
Expect the route 3 Delta, Emirates 238.
EasyJet 891, fly heading 270 degrees, cleared ILS 30 left.
Heading 270, cleared ILS 30 left, EasyJet 891.
Canada 68 Quebec, maintain speed 160 knots till 4 DME. Canada 68 Quebec, just confirm 160 knots until 4 miles. Thanks, Emirates 40 Juliet, the wind 270 degrees 9 knots, via Mike 13 Alpha 30 right, clear, take off.
Emirates 40 Juliet, runway Mike 13 Alpha, runway 30 right, for takeoff.
Got by 4 Golf Hotel, reduce speed 190 knots.
Reduce speed 190 knots, got by 4 Golf.
Got by 4 Golf Hotel, thanks, fly heading 210 degrees, descend 2,000 feet.
Fly heading 210 degrees and descend 2,000 feet, got by 4 Golf.
Canada 68 Quebec, the wind 270 degrees 9 knots, 3 to left, you clear to land, after landing vacate via Kilo 8. Vacate left via Kilo 8. Thanks, Emirates 238, descend flight level 150. Emirates 238, descend flight level 150.
Descend level 150, Emirates 238.
EasyJet 891, maintain speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
Speed 160 knots until 4 DME, EasyJet 891.
Just got away 4 Golf Hotel, fly heading 270 degrees, cleared ILS approach 30 left, report established.
Roger, fly heading 270 degrees and cleared ILS 30 left, report established, got by 4 Golf.
FedEx 8 Alpha, descend altitude 13,000 feet, 13,000 feet, QNH 1010.
Down to 13,000, QNH 1010, FedEx 81 Alpha. Emirates 803, descend off, ready for push to start.
Emirates 803, thanks, push to start approved, face east, QNH 1010.
Push approved, facing east, QNH 1010, copy, Emirates 803.
Italia 35, descend altitude 4,000 feet.
Got by 4 Golf Zone established on the ILS 30 left.
Got by 4 Golf Hotel, thanks, maintain speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
Roger, maintain 160 knots until 4 DME, got by 4 Golf Hotel.
Emirates 40 Juliet identified, climb by the set altitude 9,000 feet.
Emirates 40 Juliet, climb by descent 9,000 feet.
Egypt 2891, the wind's 27 degrees 9 knots, 3 to left, clear to land.
Clear land 30 left, Egypt 891.
Air Canada 6 take Quebec, taxi straight ahead, Juliet 3, stand Delta 2. Air Canada 6-8 Quebec, taxi straight ahead, Juliet, actually disregard you. Okay, taxi Kilo, Juliet 2, Juliet, stand Delta 2.